What are you doing, Cash? What are you doing, Cash? Hey guys, I'm out here at the farm. Got a little brush fire going, and then I found this old Santa Claus that is dirty, and I'm gonna clean him up and make a Christmas decoration out of him. Let's see what happens. Hey, look at me. Hey guys, it's Doug Chitwood with my buddy Cash from Chitwood and Cash Making Memories in Texas. Cash has decided that in 2024 he really wants to work on his content for his YouTube channel. So we're going to narrow it down and we're going to focus in on our little place in Mineral Wells, hence being in Mineral Wells. We're going to clean the place up, work on the house, and maybe get some new animals to look at. We're also going to continue to hang out with our friends, go fishing, hunting, things like that. Cash and I are obviously going to keep camping, hitting the Texas state parks. We like that so much. But also I'm a real estate agent in Dallas, so we're going to focus in on putting some real estate videos in as well. So if you would, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and let's see what we can do in 2024. See you soon. So this is the area I'm cleaning up. I let it get overgrown over the last 10 years. Of course, that's where I put the bird trough. Here's the brush pile I got going to burn. My goal is today to have all this cleaned out. It'd be a little wildlife sanctuary. Can't even speak. So here we go. Let's see what happens. These cactus, they run wild if you don't take care of them. I got to get them out. Look at those thorns. Did you see them? It hurts. So they are definitely going away today. So I finished this little section to clean out. That was a lot of work today. I'm still not done, but I have filled the bird feeder back up, put some more corn out for the deer and the raccoons and whatever else comes. The fire has almost burnt down completely. Now we're going to go to the front gate and burn some weeds. It's been a crazy day as far as weather goes, and it's just a lot of moisture in the air, which is good for me. I get to burn stuff. Cash doesn't seem to mind it either. Cash. So I don't know if I've ever showed these, but these are my little mariachi band members. I got those about 15 years ago from a girlfriend and hung them on that tree. And then I have solar lights that shine on them at night, and I don't know if it does any good, but anyway, I got them. Alright, I'm gonna hang some Christmas lights. First I gotta trim a couple of trees limbs. Greatest invention, battery operated chainsaw. Quick and easy. say that. And the battery's dead. Huh. Huh. The greatest thing ever invented, the battery. The chain came off. As I was bragging, about the chainsaw, the chain came off. Oh well, what are you gonna do? So the lights that I put on down here, I'll show them to you. They're solar powered. These lights lasted probably 4 years. Every night, I just left them on the trees, and they were bright. Solar powered Christmas lights, way to go. You don't want to watch me unwind the ones that don't work, so. So today is a crazy day. It's like 60 degrees, and you're wondering why I have a hoodie on. Because it's 60 degrees, a constant drizzle, and about 86% humidity. So I walk around the corner and I start sweating. And then I sit down and I start freezing. And now I'm going to put some corn out and my game camera out and see if we can catch some wild animals on the trail. But today it's just been a really odd day, but it's been great for burning stuff, so I'm not going to complain too much. Alright, let's go put the game camera up. Okay, I've been getting a lot of deer in my backyard. Well, I say a lot. I got a spike buck and about a 6-point buck that comes back there. But I've got a ton of raccoons that are showing their face back there. So I'm going to find a new spot to put some corn out. See if we can avoid some of the raccoons that I've got. I think there's 5 or 6 raccoons, but I'm going to spread it right in here. I think the deer come walking through this area. I saw one this morning run up the hill behind me, so we'll see what we can do. All right, let's put some corn out. Dog food. I'm gonna put a little dog food out because I had a fox show up. So let's see if we can get the fox back on the camera. Nope. Get. Nope. No. Easy peasy. See, I'm sweating now from doing that little bit of work. Let's see what happens.
Suddenly I'm seeing everything so different. Like I'm looking at the world through a brand new lens. Every shade of green and blue, and it's all because of you. I'm seeing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Tonight, like a picture that I've painted in my wildest dreams, came to life in every feeling that you gave to me. Found a story that we saw. Every moment is a song. I'm hearing everything. You make me wanna celebrate. Celebrate tonight, like a picture that I've painted in my wildest dreams, came to life in every feeling that you gave to me. You make me wanna celebrate.